Here at Second Harvest in Spokane, Washington, volunteers are working hard getting food prepared to ship throughout the inland Northwest.
The need in the community has just been off the charts.
Eric Williams is the Community Partnership Director at Second Harvest. He tells me that our community's needs have been growing over the last few years.
Last year, we procured and then distributed about 44 million meals. The year before, which was much more average, 2019, it was about 24, 26 million meals. So it doubled, basically, the number of meals that we needed. Now this year, things are a little bit better, but it's still substantially more than what we would call normal, say, in 2019.
Today, Second Harvest is receiving a much-needed surprise courtesy of the Washington Grain Commission.
What the farmers decided to do this year with Second Harvest is to be able to provide our communities with healthy and nutritious wheat-based products.
Joe Bippert worked with the Grain Commission to make this donation happen. He believes that the organization is built on the idea that we are stronger when we support one another.
I had to work with our farmers to figure out how we could best serve our communities. Really, it was important for them to recognize the need. Utilizing our connections with Second Harvest, we were able to discover that really bread donations and wheat-based donations are lower than usual.
This dip in donations could be due to the recent drought that many farmers have been facing. That willingness of farmers to give back to the community even while facing their own challenges makes donations like these mean so much more.
The ability to get this fresh bread, move it through our system to our partners who then are the front lines in distributing it to really hungry people, it's really heartwarming. We wouldn't be here. A lot of people would be going very hungry if it wasn't for wheat farmers, any sort of farmers. They're the ones who start this whole process of feeding all of us across the United States. So thank you.